Everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Houseparty. So Houseparty is basically a social network where you can connect with, you can do group chats and one-on-one chats as well in Houseparty. So before moving on to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials if you don't want to miss out on our tutorials and web content. So to log into Houseparty, you have to simply tap open the Houseparty application and tap on I already have an account to log in. Then you require your credential, email address or username and password. Enter your email address and enter your password correctly. And after that, simply tap on the next button. Then you will be successfully logged in to your Houseparty account from your device. Finally, so you can share and start doing the video chats with your friends. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon, and if you have any questions you can mention them in the comments.